All right, today we are diving into something, well, truly fascinating. It's the unique worldview of an organization that tries to connect the entire cosmos, advanced mathematics, and business development. Yeah, it's going to be quite a ride.
Okay, so it all kicks off with this really core philosophical statement. See, in their view, the universe isn't just filled with knowledge. The universe is knowledge. And that's not all. It includes everything from the stuff you can touch, like matter and energy, to something as wild and abstract as memory.
And believe me, this definition gets even more expansive. The universe includes the solar system, sure, but also, and this is a direct quote, Ganga, the very concept of existence, and even the memories of ancestors. It's this incredible, holistic view that blends science with something deeply personal.
So who's the mind behind all this? Well, the source of this really profound cosmological perspective is attributed to just one individual, a mathematician named Gaurav Gautam. He's the one putting all these ideas together.
Okay, so let's dig a little deeper here. Who exactly is this person, and what's the deal with the organization behind these big ideas? Who is the man connecting the cosmos to our ancestors' memories?
Well, turns out we get introduced to him directly. He is Gaurav Gautam, the CEO, or as it's spelled here, Chief Executive Officer, of the Analysis Solution Mathematics Coaching Center, or ASMCC for short.
Now this is where things get really interesting. How does this huge, cosmic philosophy actually translate into, the services they offer? Because the connection is probably not what you're thinking.
So, get this. On one hand, you have exactly what you'd think a mathematics coaching center would offer. Super high-level math services like tensor and complex analysis. But then, on the other hand, you have something from a totally different world. Practical business development. We're talking investment strategy, marketing, the whole shebang. It's a really unexpected combo.
And listen, these aren't just vague concepts they're throwing around. No, these business services come with clear, concrete price tags. Investment services will set you back 7,000 rupees to start, and marketing begins at 1,570. This very clearly grounds their abstract philosophy in some real-world commerce.
So they even provide a pretty standard, textbook definition of what investment is. It's all about putting your money into assets to make more money. Seems simple enough, right? But of course, the CEO adds his own special twist to it.
And this quote, wow, it just perfectly captures his unique perspective. It's not just about profit. Investment is useful for good time, for future works, use. There's this almost poetic, philosophical simplicity to how he frames it. He's tying a financial tool directly to building a better future.
Okay, so we've got cosmology and commerce all mixed together. But right when you think you're starting to get a handle on this worldview, the material takes another really sharp, totally unexpected turn. This time, into hard planetary science.
And bam, just like that, the entire tone changes. We're suddenly looking at this dense, factual overview of planet Earth. I mean, it's like a page ripped straight out of a science textbook. It lays out all the basics, our planet's spot in the solar system, how big it is, its surface, even where the word Earth comes from.
But what's really striking here is the level of detail. I mean, we get a precise chemical breakdown of our atmosphere. 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen. This has nothing to do with philosophy or business, right? It's just hard scientific data, dropped right in the middle of everything.
And this specificity just keeps coming. They even give us Earth's average diameter, 12,742 kilometers. It's this incredibly rigorous, data-driven detail that makes this whole section feel like an anomaly.
And it doesn't even stop there. The material goes on to provide a full geological and evolutionary timeline. We're talking from the formation of primordial Earth, that's over 4.5 billion years ago, all the way up to when humans first showed up.
So, what do we do with all this? How do we connect all these seemingly random pieces? We've got cosmology, a CEO, business services, and a deep dive into planetary science. What on earth is the connection here?
I mean, think about the journey we've been on. We started with this idea of the universe being knowledge, we met a CEO who offers marketing services, and then we got a detailed scientific profile of our own planet. It feels like each piece, as strange as it is meant to be a vital part of some larger, interconnected system. It's almost as if what we're looking at is a kind of
unified theory of everything. The implication here seems to be that if you can achieve a deep understanding of the universe and you channel that through the rigor of mathematics, then that is the key to unlocking practical success in the business world.
And that leaves us with this final, really provocative question that sits right at the heart of this whole philosophy. Is this coaching center just selling a service, or are they selling something way bigger? Is knowledge a product you can actually buy? Or, like they said right at the very beginning, is knowledge the universe itself?